Merry Christmas or Happy New Year or whatever. But anyway, I got myself a Christmas present in the form of this box. What does it say? Lighting the future, driving lights, work lights, made in China. I like the sound of that. Right, let's open them up. I think these were £100 off eBay. They were 100 and something, but he was taking best offer. Brand new, so I thought, well, I'll put in an offer. I had a look at some on YouTube, and I thought, no, they look pretty good. They look pretty good. So we've got two lenses. These look like flood lenses for them. That's quite handy. Got a loom, wiring loom. And we've got the actual lights themselves. They feel quite weighty. And this is them, the Lightfox 7-inch. Oh, they look smart. They've got the proper like plug connector as well, which is handy. Yeah, I mean they look good. I think this is a cover. Let's have a look. This is when I knacker them. Oh no, they are. Yeah, so you got a cover. It says Lightfox. I'm gonna see if I can try and like take that off because I don't really want to be advertising someone else's products. Yeah, they look smart. Come with two. We've got two Lightfox LED 7-inch spotlights. They will do lovely. Got these smart brackets, and then you've got a packet of bolts, another packet of bolts, and then two rubber plates for them. Let's get them built up and put on the truck. Oh, got to mention. I got 4 of them as well, so I already did these ones. Yeah, spot on. These are the lights. Lightfox LED. Proper plugs in there and all. It's quite smart. Brackets. It's got a proper loom with all the like proper plugs on it, which is quite smart. Yeah, so it's all like sealed in. Not like these just cheapo ones that come. Got an on and off button, but I'll probably get rid of that. Have it all wired in properly. Fuse, relay. Yeah, there's relay in there as well, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is what some look like that are already constructed. I already did these ones, so they've got like a swivel bracket on there. And then they'll just sit on top of the truck. I'm going to go do that now before it gets too low. So you join me on the top of my truck. I'm trying to get these bolts, these big lights. So far it's proving quite difficult. Do you know, sometimes I wish I was a bit of an octopus, because then you'd be able to... Shut up. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, let's talk about bloody roofs, because I'm a little geese. This is going to be some really boring YouTube. There we go. There we go. Where's the spinner? Bloody hell, it's all kicking off, isn't it? Is that straight? Yeah. There's one on. My main worry about these lights is them getting nicked. I can speed up the video, I suppose. Oh, let's do one of them montage things. What are you doing? You filming? Oh, very good. Oh. Oh, dear me. This is such a faff. Oh. Oh. So it is not that early, 9 o'clock, 10 to 9, and I am off to go get the truck lights wired up. Let's go. Hello and welcome back to an even dirtier Defender than the before. As you can see, it's an absolute state. Went off-roading last night because I went to test out these mad lights. They are absolute chaos and they are so bright, it's ridiculous. Got some shots of them at night compared to the crappy little light bar down here, which really doesn't make any difference anymore, so yeah. But doesn't she look good dirty? Definitely makes an improvement at night. Yeah, fairly mucky old job. Not ideal. So yeah, this is how I got the lights wired in, if that'll focus. I've got them onto the switch there. That switch was from Mud Stuff. I'll put a link in the description or whatever. Come on, focus. Come on. Ugh, I ain't playing game. I don't know why not. Come on. Come on. Ain't keen. But anyway, it's like, there it is, that's better. The picture of the Defender there with the lights on, so I've got them wired. So that's now off on the high beam. You just click it, there's nothing going there. You press it, and then the lights come on as well. So yeah, it's good that. But yeah, so we're in the Defender. Just thought I'd do a quick test on the lights. So that is with the current light bar that's on there at the moment. Is it focusing? Ish, yeah. It's not brilliant. And then these are the spotlights. Yeah. I don't think the camera does it justice. It is actually picking it up over in there as well. Yeah, they're fair bright. They're fair bright. Let's go and have a quick look. These are actually chaos. These lights are carnage. You can actually see the beam of light. The light foxes. Jesus. Bloody hell. Yeah. Yeah, they're fair bright. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching video on the lights. Pretty chaotic. Thanks for watching, yeah. Subscribe, like, hit the bell, whatever, do whatever. Follow me on Instagram, all that bollocks. Yeah. Cheers. Bye.